All right. Example 6. So here we're going to do scheduling. So at the moment we've done network diagrams and that's great. We've done weighted network diagrams, which is even better because it gives us some value to each edge. We have done dummy activities so that we can have things with different predecessors joined up. And now we're going to use a combination of these things to do some scheduling. So let's have a look. We've got an activity chart here, and we need to draw a network diagram for it. All right, let's have a butcher's. Let's have a look at activity A, and is this the same as that one? Oh, it's got an extra stop. That's all right. We'll go with this. We have activity A and B that both have no predecessors. So we've got activity A and activity B. Now, when we're doing these, what we will normally do is we've got activity A and B there. I'll just change to blue and go A and B. We put the weightings of those edges next to them. So that activity A is worth 8 and that one's worth 6 in B, and that's in days. Next one we have a look. So those two are done. We have a look at activity C. The only one that's got coming off it is it's coming off A, its predecessor is A. So we just go C, 1. Next one we've got is D, its only predecessor is B. So we'll drag that across and go, well, that is D2. Okay, so that's its activity. All right, E is coming off C. But I'm just looking at this going, okay, what am I going to have? Oh, oh. If I look down at G, I'm going to have E and F coming together. So I'm going to look at this and go, oh, I've got F coming off D as well. So I'm probably going to have E coming down like that to that point, and F is probably going to come up like that. And we'll have a look at it. So that one is E, and its value is 3. And then we've got F coming off. Now, F needs C and D. Okay, so I've already got it coming off. Like if I label that as F and it's worth 1, I've already got it coming off D. So that's fine, but I also need C. And that's where, once again, a dummy activity comes in. I shouldn't put the arrow there. I should put the arrow there. Okay, so there's my dummy activity. Now, dummy activities are always worth 0. Okay, so activity C is worth 1, and it's already been counted. It's already been counted up here in this part up here. So we don't need to add a value there because otherwise you'd be making it worth 2 and things like that. It's worth 1. So even when you're adding it up, you're going to have the 1 plus the 0. So it's not going to change it from being a value of 1. All right. So now we've got that done. That's awesome. Sure. Now we've got G, and G comes off E and F. And that is the reason that I drew those two together, because I could see that it was going to come off them. So G, which is worth 2. And then our last one, we've got H that comes off there that is worth 1. And we're done. So double check that, go through it. The only thing of note here is the fact that our dummy activity is there and it's worth 0. But that is a completed network diagram. Cool.